Séquence 1. Art droit, en marche, un peu penché en avant, les poings serrés, le regard dirigé droit devant lui. Moni est à la droite de Art, de profil, il regarde droit devant lui vers la gauche.
Sequence 1. Har is upright, walking, leaning a bit forward. His fists are clenched and he's looking straight ahead. Moni is on Har's right, standing sideways, looking straight ahead to the left.
Séquence 2. Art sort du cadre par la droite. Moni ne bouge pas.
Sequence 2. Har walks out of the frame to the right. Moni doesn't move.
Séquence 3. Art revient toujours les poings serrés, il est de dos, Moni ne bouge pas.
Sequence 3. Har walks back in, fists clenched, facing backwards. Moni doesn't move.
Séquence 4. Moni est allongé sur le sol. Les deux mains lui soutiennent la tête. Il regarde droit devant lui. Art est couché près de Moni, sur le côté, la tête reposée sur son bras droit.
Sequence 4.
Il a les yeux
Moni
fermés,
is
sa
lying
main
down on the
gauche est
floor.
dans son
His
pantalon.
two hands are holding up his head. He looks straight ahead. Har is lying down next to Moni on his side. His head is resting on his right arm. His eyes are closed. His left hand is down his pants.
Séquence 5. Art est droit, de profil, les bras levés devant lui, les doigts écartés, il regarde vers la gauche. Moni est assis par terre, derrière Art, il fait face au bandeau noir.
Sequence 5. Har is upright, sideways, his arms stretched out in front of him, his fingers spread apart. He looks to the left. Moni is sitting on the floor, behind Har, facing the black strip.
Séquence 6. Art est de profil. Il ouvre les bras comme pour une marche militaire. Moni est à quatre pattes, il sort vers la droite, on ne voit que ses jambes.
Sequence 6. Har is standing sideways. He spreads his arm apart as if he were marching. Moni is on all fours. He steps out to the right. We can only see his legs.
Séquence 7. Moni est droit, de profil, les bras levés devant lui, les mains tendues. Art est derrière Moni. Il est assis par terre, le dos appuyé contre le bandeau noir, les yeux fermés, la tête penchée. Il dort, il est mort.
Sequence 7. Moni is upright, standing sideways, his arms stretched out in front of him, his hands open wide. Har is behind Moni, sitting down on the floor. His back is against the black strip. His eyes are closed, his head tilted. He's asleep. He's dead.
Séquence 8. Art est allongé sur le ventre, les bras sous le torse, les yeux ouverts. Un marteau est devant son visage. Dans le cadre apparaît la jambe droite de Moni.
Sequence 8. Har is lying down on his stomach. His arms are under his chest. His eyes are open. There's a hammer in front of his face. We can see Moni's right leg.
Séquence 9. Moni est allongé sur le sol contre le bandeau noir. Sa jambe gauche est relevée. Art est droit, de profil. Il lit une feuille de papier.
Sequence 9. Moni is lying down on the floor against the black strip. His left leg is lifted up in the air. Har is upright, standing sideways. He's reading a piece of paper.
Séquence 10. Art est allongé sur le ventre, le long du mur, le bras gauche sous le torse, la tête tournée vers l'objectif. Moni est penché sur Art, il a relevé son bras droit et regarde la paume de la main.
Sequence 10. Har is lying down on his stomach along the wall. His left arm is under his chest. His head is turned towards the camera. Moni is leaning against Har. He lifts up his right arm and looks at the palm of his hand.
Séquence 11. Même position, même action. Moni regarde en même temps l'objectif.
Sequence 11. Same position, same action. Money is looking at the camera.
Séquence 12. Har et Money sont allongés par terre sur le ventre,
Sequence
tête
12.
contre
Har and Money
tête.
are lying down on their stomachs. Their heads are touching.
Séquence 13. Même position, plan rapproché des deux visages.
Sequence 13. Same position. There's a close-up on their faces.
Séquence 14. Money est allongé par terre sur le dos le long du mur, les jambes relevées. Har est assis sur les pieds de Money. Comme au cirque, il regarde devant lui, les bras tendus, prêts à être catapultés.
Sequence 14. Money is lying down on his back against the wall. His legs are up in the air. Har is sitting on Money's feet. He looks straight ahead, his arms held out straight, ready to be shot forward like a cannon in a circus.
Séquence 15. Har est catapulté.
Sequence 15. Har is shot forward.
Séquence 16. Money est de face. Sous l'œil gauche, il a un morceau de pansement. Ses yeux sont baissés. Har est devant lui, sur le côté, de dos, il tient Money par le revers de sa veste.
Sequence 16. Money is standing sideways. There's a bandage under his left eye. He's looking down to the ground. Har is in front of him, on the side, standing backwards. He's holding Money by the lining of his jacket.
Séquence 17. Har est devant Money. Tous deux se cachent le visage avec des morceaux de tissu. Blanc pour Har, bleu pour Money.
Sequence 17. Har is in front of Money. Both of them hide their faces with a rag. White for Har, blue for Money.
Séquence 18. Plan
Sequence
rapproché de
18.
la séquence
Close-up
17.
of sequence 17.
Séquence 19. Money a le visage masqué par un torchon blanc. Har est derrière lui, la main droite au front. Il regarde l'objectif. Il sourit.
Sequence 19. Money's face is covered up with a white rag. Har is behind him, his left hand on his forehead. He looks at the camera and smiles.
Séquence 20. Même position. Har hurle contre Money.
Sequence 20. Same position. Har is yelling at Money.
Séquence 21. Har tombe dans les bras de Money. Son bras droit est tendu vers le côté droit. Il fait une grimace, de douleur peut-être. Money regarde l'objectif calmement.
Sequence 21. Har falls into Money's arms. He stretches out his right arm to the right. He makes a face. Maybe it's pain. Money calmly looks at the camera.
Séquence 22. Money et Har sont accroupis face à face. Ils se cachent le visage avec la main, les deux autres mains pendent.
Sequence 22. Money and Har are squatting down face to face. Each one hides his face with his hand. The other hand is limp.
Séquence 23. Har est assis, les deux mains posées sur les genoux. Il a les yeux ouverts, il regarde droit devant lui. Money est derrière lui, il tient la chaise, il est penché en avant, il regarde droit devant lui.
Sequence 23. Har is sitting down, both hands on his knees. His eyes are open. He looks straight. Money is behind him, holding the chair. He leans forward. He looks straight ahead.
Séquence 24. Har est assis, les deux mains posées sur les genoux. Sa tête est tournée vers l'extrême droite. Il fait un effort mais ne tourne pas le torse. Money est derrière lui. Il tient la chaise. Il est penché en avant. Il regarde droit devant lui.
Sequence 24. Har is sitting down with both hands on his knees. His head is turned all the way to the right. He makes an attempt but doesn't turn the top of his body. Money is behind him, holding the chair. He's leaning forward, looking straight ahead.
Séquence 25. Money est assis sur la chaise. Il se tient le ventre et se penche en avant. R est derrière lui, la tête tournée vers le bandeau
Sequence
noir.
25. Money is sitting on the chair. He is holding his stomach and leaning forward. Horror is behind him. His head is turned towards the black strip.
Séquence 26. R est allongé sur la table, les jambes sont relevées, les yeux ouverts. Money tient R par les pieds, il regarde vers la droite.
Sequence 26. Horror is lying down on the table, his legs up in the air. His eyes are open. Money is holding her by the feet. He is looking to the right.
Séquence 27. R est allongé sur la table, les jambes sont relevées, les yeux ouverts. Money écarte les jambes de R avec son torse, il a l'air de la coucher calmement.
Sequence 27. Horror is lying on the table, his legs up in the air. His eyes are open. Money spreads Horror's legs open with his chest. He looks like he's calmly helping him give birth.
Séquence 28. R est allongé sur la table, les jambes sont relevées, les yeux ouverts. Money est droit, il ne tient plus rien, il regarde calmement
Sequence 28.
l'objectif.
Horror is lying on the table, his legs up in the air. His eyes are open. Money is upright, no longer holding anything. He looks calmly at the camera.
Séquence 29. R est assis sur la table, les cuisses écartées. Il se tient les parties et regarde de côté comme s'il avait peut-être peur d'être surpris. Money est debout près de la table, à droite, et lui aussi cherche peut-être à savoir s'ils ne sont pas surveillés.
Sequence 29. Horror is sitting on the table, his legs spread open. He holds his crotch and looks to the side as if he were afraid to be caught. Money is standing up next to the table, on the right. Maybe he too wants to know if they're being watched.
Séquence 30. Money est allongé sur la table, les jambes ballantes. R est devant lui, penché, et regarde un des pieds de la table.
Sequence 30. Money is lying on the table, his legs are dangling. Horror is in front of him leaning and looking at the legs of the table.
Séquence 31. R est à quatre pattes sur la table, la tête penchée en avant, du côté du bandeau noir. Money a posé une main sur une des fesses de R, il regarde l'objectif, le torse un peu penché.
Sequence 31. Horror is on all fours on the table, his head leaning forward near the black strip. Money is touching Horror's ass. He looks at the camera, slightly bending over.
Séquence 32. Money est assis sur la table, la tête penchée, il pense, il dort, la bouche ouverte. R est à gauche, il tient la table des deux mains et a l'air de faire un effort, le dos très tendu.
Sequence 32. Money is sitting on the table, his head is tilted. He is thinking, he is sleeping. His mouth is open. Horror is on the left. He is holding the table with both hands. He looks like he's trying very hard. His back is stretched tight.
Séquence 33. Money est assis sur la table, de profil, les jambes repliées sous les fesses, il regarde devant lui. R est assis sur la table, derrière Money, il a l'air d'être en déséquilibre sur ses mains, la jambe droite levée, la tête tournée vers l'objectif, il sourit comme dans un jeu.
Sequence 33. Money is sitting sideways on the table, his legs folded up under his ass. He's looking straight ahead. Horror is sitting on the table behind Money. He looks like he's losing his balance on his hands. His right leg is up in the air. His head is turned towards the camera. He smiles like in a game.
Séquence 34. Money et R
Sequence
sont allongés
34.
sur la table.
Money and Horror lying on the table.
Séquence 35. Moni est dans les bras de Har. Ils sont de dos. Moni tient un dessin dans la main droite. Ils sont très tendus.
Sequence 35. Moni is on Har's arms. They're standing backwards. Moni is holding a drawing. They're both very tense.
Séquence 36. Moni cache le visage de Har avec ses deux mains. Il regarde l'objectif très effrayé.
Sequence 36. Moni is hiding Har's face with both of his hands. He looks frightened at the camera.
Séquence 37. Moni cache le visage de Har avec ses coudes en se collant à lui d'une manière désordonnée.
Sequence 37. Moni is hiding Har's face with his elbows, sticking against him awkwardly.
Séquence 38. Har fait des jumelles avec ses deux mains. Il regarde vers l'objectif. Moni fait de même. Il est penché en avant et regarde les parties de Har.
Sequence 38. Har holds his hands like binoculars in front of his eyes. He's looking towards the camera. Moni does the same thing. He is bent forward and is looking at Har's crotch.
Séquence 39. Moni tente
Sequence
d'embrasser Har
39.
qui se
Moni
retire.
is trying to kiss Har, but Har backs away.
Séquence 40. Moni tente d'embrasser Har qui se retire, le corps penché plus en avant, le regard dirigé vers le côté, les sourcils légèrement froncés.
Sequence 40. Moni is trying to kiss Har, who backs away. His body is leaning forward. He is looking to the side. He knits his brows a little.
Séquence 41. Har est face à l'objectif. Il a le bras droit tendu, la main ouverte. Moni a le visage contre la main de Har, les bras ballants.
Sequence 41. Har is facing the camera. His arm is stretched out and his hand is open. Moni's face is against Har's hand. His arms are dangling.
Séquence 42. Moni a les bras croisés, très sûr de lui. Un léger sourire illumine son visage. Har est à quatre pattes. Il essaie de grimper le long du
Sequence
bandeau noir.
42. Moni's arms are crossed. He's very sure of himself and a faint smile lights up his face. Har is on all fours. He is trying to climb up the black strip.
Séquence 43. Moni a les bras croisés, très sûr de lui. Un léger sourire illumine son visage. Har est debout, chancelant. Il tente encore de grimper le long du bandeau noir.
Sequence 43. Moni's arms are crossed. He's very sure of himself and a faint smile lights up his face. Har is standing up, staggering. He is still trying to climb up the black strip.
Séquence 44. Moni a les bras croisés, très sûr de lui. Un léger sourire illumine son visage. Har est recroquevillé par terre, toujours tourné vers le bandeau noir. Il est achevé.
Sequence 44. Moni's arms are crossed. He's very sure of himself and a faint smile lights up his face. Har is curled up on the floor, still facing the black strip. He's done in.
Séquence 45. Moni est contre le mur, les parties en avant. Il regarde vers la gauche. Har lui prend les parties, très concentré.
Sequence 45. Moni is standing against the wall. His crotch is sticking out forward. He is looking to the left. Har is holding Moni's crotch tight in his hand.
Séquence 46. Har enfile son corps dans le sac plastique doré, les poings serrés, il lève la tête vers le haut dans une expression de total plaisir, dans une expression de total effort. Moni est à ses côtés. Il est penché en avant vers les pieds de Har.
Sequence 46. Har wraps himself up in the gold plastic bag. His fists are clenched and he lifts up his head with a look of utter pleasure on his face, with a look of utter determination. Moni is next to him. He's leaning forward towards Har's feet.
Séquence 47. Har enfile son corps dans le sac plastique, les poings serrés, il lève la tête vers le haut, dans une expression de total plaisir, dans une expression de total effort. Money est à ses côtés, il est penché en arrière de Har, il tend le bras comme s'il cherchait de l'aide ou un appui.
Sequence 47. Har wraps himself up in the gold plastic bag. His fists are clenched and he lifts up his head with a look of utter pleasure on his face, with a look of utter determination. Money is next to him, bent over behind him. He stretches out his arm as if he were searching for help or some support.
Séquence 48. Har enfile son corps dans le sac plastique, les poings serrés, il lève la tête vers le haut, dans une expression de total plaisir, dans une expression de total effort. Money est à ses côtés, il est penché un peu plus en arrière de Har, il tend le bras comme s'il cherchait de l'aide ou un appui.
Sequence 48. Har wraps himself up in the gold plastic bag. His fists are clenched and he lifts up his head with a look of utter pleasure on his face, with a look of utter determination. Money is next to him. He's even more bent over behind Har. He stretches out his arm as if he were searching for help or some support.
Séquence 49. Har enfile son corps dans le sac plastique, les poings serrés, il lève la tête vers le haut, dans une expression de total plaisir, dans une expression de total effort. Money est à ses côtés, il est penché un peu plus en arrière de Har, il tend les deux bras comme s'il cherchait de l'aide ou un appui.
Sequence 49. Har wraps himself up in the gold plastic bag. His fists are clenched and he lifts up his head with a look of utter pleasure on his face, with a look of utter determination. Money is next to him. He is even more bent over behind Har. He stretches out his arm as if he were searching for help or some support.
Séquence 50. Har recouvre Money du sac en plastique doré. On voit les pieds de
Sequence
Money.
50. Har covers Money with the gold plastic bag. We can see Money's feet.
Séquence 51. Money est dans le sac en plastique doré. Har
Sequence
présente la forme en
51.
regardant
Money
vers
is
la
in the gold
droite.
plastic bag. Har shows us the shape while looking to the right.
Séquence 52. Money est dans le sac en plastique doré. Har présente la forme en regardant l'objectif.
Sequence 52. Money is in the gold plastic bag. Har shows us the shape while looking at the camera.
Séquence 53. Money est dans le sac. Har baise la forme.
Sequence 53. Money is in the bag. Har fucks the shape.
Séquence 54. Money est dans le sac. Har est accroupi ou penché en avant et il lasse une chaussure.
Sequence 54. Money in the bag. Har bends down and ties a shoe.
Séquence 55. Money est dans le sac. Har s'appuie sur la forme et sourit.
Sequence 55. Money is in the bag. Har leans on the shape and smiles.
Séquence 56. Har est dans le sac en plastique doré. Money baise la forme.
Sequence 56. Har is in the gold plastic bag. Money fucks the shape.
Séquence 57. Money et Har sont à quatre pattes. Money a la tête dans le sac. Har attend son tour.
Sequence 57. Money and Har are on all fours. Money's head is in the bag. Har is waiting for his turn.
Séquence 58. Money et Har sont à quatre pattes. Money regarde Har entrer dans le sac en plastique doré.
Sequence 58. Money and Har are on all fours. Money watches Har get into the gold plastic bag.
Séquence 59. Har a le torse dans le sac. Money est assis en tailleur. Il regarde
Sequence
l'objectif.
59. The top of Har's body is in the bag. Money is sitting down with his legs crossed. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 60. Har est pratiquement rentré dans le sac. Money
Sequence
regarde
60.
toujours l'objectif.
Har is almost entirely in the bag. Money is still looking at the camera.
Séquence 61. Har tente de grimper sur la chaise avec difficulté. Money tient la chaise par le dossier et lui crie des ordres.
Sequence 61. Har has a hard time trying to get up on the chair. Money holds the back of the chair and screams out orders.
Séquence 62. Money est assis à la table, les mains posées sur le plateau, il regarde l'objectif. Har est debout, il regarde l'objectif.
Sequence 62. Money is sitting at the table with his hands on top of it. He looks at the camera. Har is standing up. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 63. Money est assis à la table, les mains posées sur le plateau, il penche légèrement la tête. Har est debout, il regarde l'objectif.
Sequence 63. Money is sitting on the table with his hands on top of it. He slightly tilts his head. Har is standing up. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 64. Money est assis à la table, les mains posées sur le plateau, il penche un peu plus la tête. Har est debout, il regarde
Sequence
l'objectif.
64. Money is sitting at the table with his hands on top of it. He tilts his head a little more. Har is standing up. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 65. Money est assis à la table, les mains posées sur le plateau, il penche encore un peu plus la tête. Har est debout, il regarde
Sequence
l'objectif.
65. Money is sitting at the table with his hands on top of it. He tilts his head even more. Har is standing up. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 66. Money est assis à la table, les mains posées sur le plateau, sa tête repose presque sur la table. Har est debout, il regarde l'objectif.
Sequence 66. Money is sitting at the table with his hands on top of it. His head is almost on the table. Har is standing up. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 67. Money est assis à la table, les mains posées sur le plateau, sa tête repose sur la table. Har est debout, il regarde
Sequence 67.
l'objectif.
Money is sitting at the table with his hands on top of it. His head is on the table. Har is standing up. He looks at the camera.
Séquence 68. Money et Har sont assis à table. Money ouvre la bouche de Har avec ses doigts.
Sequence 68. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Money opens up Har's mouth with his fingers.
Séquence 69. Money et Har sont assis à table. Money met sa main dans la bouche de Har.
Sequence 69. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Money puts his hand in Har's mouth.
Séquence 70. Money et Har sont assis à table. Money regarde l'objectif. Har écarte son œil de Money.
Sequence 70. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Money looks at the camera. Har opens up one of Money's eyes.
Séquence 71. Money et Har sont assis à table. Har tire une oreille de Money.
Sequence 71. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Har pulls one of Money's ears.
Séquence 72. Money et Har sont assis à table. Har met ses doigts dans la bouche de Money.
Sequence 72. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Har puts his fingers in Money's mouth.
Séquence 73. Money et Har sont assis à table. Har met sa main dans la bouche de Money.
Sequence 73. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Har puts his hand in Money's mouth.
Séquence 74. Money et Har sont assis à table. Money tire le nez de Har.
Sequence 74. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Money pulls Har's nose.
Séquence 75. Money et Har sont assis à table. Money pince la joue de Har. Har regarde
Sequence
l'objectif.
75. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Money pinches Har's cheek. Har looks at the camera.
Séquence 76. Money et Har sont assis à table. Har cache le visage de Money avec son torse.
Sequence 76. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Har hides Money's face with the top of his body.
Séquence 77. Money et Har sont assis à table. Har est couché sur Money.
Sequence 77. Money and Har are sitting at the table. Har is lying on Money.